Starting around 15 August 2023, Velo basically is exchanging at $0.002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.35% in very most recent 60 minutes. Or so they in every way that really matters thought. Velo certainly has a truly all-out market cap of $18,177,495, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $7,817,479 and an in every way that really matters, large way. This fundamentally makes Velo kind of positioning at 599. In the digital money market amazingly, in the event that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer and considering what generally is the Velo cost expectation end of 2023, what will Velo in a real sense be somewhat worth in 2023 in an exceptionally significant manner? Is Velo a very wise venture or worth purchasing in 2023 in an especially large manner? Will Velo cost generally outperform its record-breaking high, which generally is very huge? These especially are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future in an unobtrusive manner. Velo value expectation 2023. As per the Velo figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Velo cost truly is supposed to in every way that really matters cross a kind of normal value level of $0.003, the normal by and large least value worth of Velo, toward the finish of the sort of current year, ought to generally be $0.003 in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, Velo can in every practical sense arrive at a fundamentally most extreme value level of $0.003, which really is very critical. Velo value estimate August 2023. The exceptionally normal cost of Velo could generally go to $0.003 toward August 2023 in a significant manner's end. Velo could for the most part be exchanging around a truly greatest worth of $0.003 with the in every practical sense least expected cost of $0.002, which sort of is very huge. Velo value figure September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Velo basically is determined to truly be at around an especially least worth of $0.003 in an unobtrusive manner. The Velo value worth can in a real sense arrive at a really limit of $0.003, with the very normal exchanging worth of $0.003 in United States dollars, which certainly is genuinely huge. Velo value figure October 2023. The kind of normal cost of Velo could commonly go to $0.003 toward the finish of October 2023, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Velo could be exchanging around a very most extreme worth of $0.003, with the truly least expected cost of $0.003, which basically is very huge. Velo value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the especially greatest cost for Velo could fundamentally stretch around $0.003 in an unobtrusive manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of Velo in November 2023 by and large is $0.003 with an exceptionally normal cost of $0.003 fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Velo value estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the sort of greatest cost for Velo could explicitly stretch around $0.003 truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Moreover, the minimum cost of Velo in December 2023 essentially is $0.003 with a truly normal cost of $0.003. Velo past value examination, and the kind of beyond 24 hours. The crypto by and large has been somewhat diminished by 0.54% in its ongoing worth, so Velo value gauge December 2023. In December 2023, the greatest cost for Velo could truly stretch around $0.003, or so they thought. Assuming we look at the essentially current market cap of the Velo with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap truly is likewise down in a fundamentally enormous manner. Velo is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with pretty other crypto coins, which for the most part is very critical. The Velo really is down to nearly 5.83% in every practical sense, most recent 7 days, which certainly is very critical. The coin generally is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for genuinely past essentially couple of days. The coin could sort of have kind of solid basics at the same time. We don't feel that it would a beneficial resource in extremely present moment. exhibiting that this sort of makes Velo, especially positioning at 599 in the digital currency market, which especially is very critical. Inside the truly most recent 1 month, the cost of Velo truly diminished by 61.587%, disposing of an incredible typical amount of $0.004 from its sort of current worth, which by and large is genuinely huge. This unexpected down really implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be a very decent, for the most part, purchase and open door for kind of speedy interest in an unobtrusive manner. The 90 days cost change truly is near 13.61%, and the cost generally circled from a base typical cost of $0.003 to most extreme truly normal cost of $0.003 in the truly beyond 90 days in an unpretentious manner. In by and large most recent 4 months, Velo essentially has shown a developing pattern, exhibiting how the coin truly is, as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for in every practical sense. Recent days, the coin could essentially have areas of strength for pretty at the same time. We don't especially imagine that it would a beneficial resource in lovely present moment, exhibiting that this especially makes Velo, beautiful positioning at 599 in the cryptographic money market in an unpretentious way. Consequently, we most certainly imagine that comparable pieces of the market by and large were very famous at that period. So besides, the minimum cost of Velo in November 2023 in every practical sense is $0.003 with an extremely normal cost of $0.003, or so they explicitly thought. As per the in a real sense the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Velo especially is expanded from 4 months in a truly significant manner. The exchanging volume is a fundamental job in its cost, which for the most part is genuinely critical. The coin is up by 13.28%, with the genuinely greatest pretty typical cost of the coin basically was around $0.002, and the sort of least typical cost of explicitly was around $0.002 and exceptionally beyond 4 months in a sort of enormous manner. Velo value conjecture 2023 facts. What will for the most part be Velo truly worth in 2023 in a genuinely significant manner? The Velo cost in a real sense is determined to arrive at a truly greatest degree of $0.003, with most certainly least cost of $0.003 toward the finish of 2023, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Does Velo really have a future? As far as value, Velo essentially has an extraordinary potential to sort of arrive at new levels, showing how Velo value gauge August 2023, the fundamentally normal cost of Velo could generally go to $0.003 toward the finish of August 2023, which generally is genuinely critical. It explicitly is estimate that Velo will increment in esteem, which basically is genuinely huge, as indicated by